news in detail. Prime Minister Narendra Modi unveiled various developmental projects worth more than 6,400 crore rupees at Bakshi Stadium in Srinagar in Jammu and Kashmir today. During his day-long visit to the Kashmir Valley, the Prime Minister participated in the Viksit Bharat Viksit Jammu Kashmir program. Earlier, the Prime Minister launched the 5,000 crore rupees worth program, the Holistic Agriculture Development Program for boosting agri-economy in Jammu and Kashmir. He also launched multiple projects related to the tourism sector worth more than 400 crore rupees under Swadesh Darshan and Prasad Pilgrimage Rejuvenation and Spiritual Heritage Augmentation Drive scheme, including the project for integrated development of Hazrat Bal Shrine, Srinagar. The Office of the Chief Electoral Officer, Meghalaya, has